Tesla launching Autopark for wider group of Cybertruck owners. Tesla will soon begin rolling out Autopark to a wider group of Cybertruck owners, after the company initially began releasing the feature to a select few earlier this month. In the past few weeks, Tesla has rolled out 2 initial builds of Autopark for the Cybertruck to special testers, as Teslascope reports. However, on early Saturday morning, the outlet spotted an update deploying Autopark on Tesla Vision more widely to regular Cybertruck customers for the first time, and it's expected to go out shortly. Autopark on Tesla Vision for Cybertruck has now expanded to include regular customers for the first time. The 2 previous builds, including a new revision just days ago, were only released to a few special testers. We expect all Cybertruck to receive this update shortly. Teslascope reports on its website that the aforementioned software update, version 2024.32.5.3, has only been spotted on 4 vehicles at the time of writing. As for when it will go out, it's not yet entirely clear, though Cybertruck who have purchased or subscribed to full self-driving FSD supervised owners could see it in the next few days. Autopark lets users perform automatic parking and parallel parking maneuvers in certain parking lot areas, simply by stopping near a spot and selecting one of the highlighted spaces. Tesla also warns that drivers must continue to pay attention and be ready to take immediate action when using this and other autopilot features. While Tesla hasn't rolled out FSD supervised for the Cybertruck just yet, the company said last month that it would be debuting parking assistance features for the electric vehicle EV first. Earlier this month, the Tesla AI account went on to share a larger roadmap for FSD supervised, including the fact that the team expects to launch the software on the Cybertruck sometime this month. Over the past few weeks, Tesla has also been rolling out its Actually Smart Summon AS feature, which lets drivers remotely summon their vehicles from parking spaces using the mobile app. Early reviews for the long-anticipated AS feature have already been surfacing, with many showing some pretty impressive results. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.